It's a Christmas present and birthday.
Yeah.
Birthday present. The purple sister.
Hey, you got mom's phone?
Not yet.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What's the color of the...
Let me zoom in. Hold on. Let me focus. Put it back. Oh, yeah.
This is fa. What's this? The bun. Just wait.
You have to link it to your phone.
Bubble? What do you think this?
Strip it. I should have got you a knife. Is it taped?
Oh my god, it's like... Oh, it's chargeable.
Of course.
It's iPhone 14. Ta-da!
No. Gosh, you're gonna break it.
This is the charger. Guess what I have?
And he said it should be charged mostly.
I like the color.
It's like a beige,
Where's this is the bun?
I guess.
Alright.
Just 3 things in the box.
Maybe.
It was a heavy box for what it has.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
And he said if you don't like that band, there's a lot of bands on Amazon. They don't sell the bands there.
I like the buns.
And he said that's a large. He said you might...
Not just.
I know, but he said that's a medium to large.
Why this under is a... What's there's a magnetic like...
Honey, you ask me like I know.
Okay. This one.
Read your instructions.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, I suppose to open this. It's 41. This one, I supposed to open this like that. Then I open like this and like that. You know, it's easy.
Instead, you just rip it open.
Just excited.
Don't follow the instructions.
Then, how to put this one?
You want me to do it? I have to put the phone down.
Put down.
Here, you take the phone.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
You got it. You got it. Make sure you're putting it in the right way and not upside down.
This one. Yeah. It's not on.
So hold the button down. Always hold the button down, it turns it on. Right?
Huh? How?
It's trash. Throw it away.
Okay. Oh. But anyway, thank you, honey.
You're welcome. Let's see. We'll hold it down for 5 seconds.
Change the band because I put it wrong side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's broke. How does it say to turn on? See, with Samsung products, you just hold the button down and you push it a couple times. And this one, it's not.
Oh, wait, it's no good. Oh, what's this? It's why the back is too heavy, you know?
Alright, I want to stop the video.